Hi everyone, I am back again with tannic acid, and I wanted to jump on this real quick. I did experiment with tannic acid, and I did 3 different experiments, and with the last experiment, which was print number 3, I got a tone that was very close to a black. This is my ultimate goal with Cyanotype on glass. What toning agent can give me the closest to black? So this is what I did today. The tannic acid bath contains 8 teaspoons in 1500 milliliters of water. Now I'm making this batch a lot stronger than I did with the previous experiments, as I'm not too sure how this is going to go. So I figured probably starting off with a higher concentration might help it out a little. And for the bleaching bath, I am also using a higher concentration, and this bath contains 1 teaspoon in 1 liter of water. This is the glass cyanotype that I am going to experiment with today, and let's see what's gonna happen. Now, before I begin, I'm just going to tell you what it is that I am going to do. I am first going to pre-wet, bleach, rinse, then tone for about 1 hour. I am then going to bleach again, rinse again, and tone again for another hour. This is what I did with print number 3 in my 3rd experiment, which gave me that tone that I'm hoping I could get with this glass cyanotype. I'll probably be risking it by dunking it in and out, as it's really not the same as paper. But you know what? If you don't try it, you will never know. So this is where we're at after 1 hour of toning. There is no real visible change. You may not be able to see, but I do see in some areas there is a slight change of color. But it's not over yet. Still got another hour to go. I am now going to go back into the bleach, rinse, and then come back to toning. And here is how we're looking at right now. Bleaching it a second time really brought out a lot of where was not noticeable when I pulled it out of the toning bath. There's still quite a few areas that are still untouched. We'll see how this all ends up after the 2nd hour of toning. I know this is the first time working with tannic acid and glass cyanotype, but I do not like the result at all. So I decided to test it out once again with this glass cyanotype print. I am going to repeat the whole process again, except I'm going to increase the amount of washing soda from 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon in 1500 milliliters of water. Well, this print also came out very similar to the first one. It seems to have some areas that just don't seem to be toning, and I'm not too sure why that is. Maybe this is what people refer to as this being a finicky toner. I'm not sure if this is what sometimes happens when toning paper. Anyway, it was worth a try, not giving up on it just yet. You win some and you lose some.